Nangina kune ati kaunti ya MERU KUGUNIKA bonene kumaniana ngwatano ya kibiashara ya ndiguru ya South Korea akiaria ndiguru ne iyo ya Korea ministeri mimithika LINTURI bathi atene na Rais RUTO ama na maminista bangi bathirikari ya ugite ati akathingatira kona Kenya ya kwambiria kwendia KAUWA KOREAA LINTURI hariwa MUBANGO JWAARI au mbere indi yuethiranini ukiona na kiminista Peter Munya.
Zangu wa Kenya hamjambo.
Kaunti ya MERU ni imwe ya irachirigiri KUGUNIKA bo kadhani WENDIA bo MAJANI na KAUWA ndene ndiguru ya South Korea.
And all the time
bo yeteore Rais wa Kenya Daktari William Samoei RUTO amwe na minista wa urimi mithika LINTURI bakinyete ndiguru neu. LINTURI akiaria augete kwe mibango yekiate ati kandiguru ichieli utiera murimi wa KAUWA na KUGUNIKA ende ministora WAARI wa umbere Peter Munya edira kiangaratanakia untobo.
This is somehow missed the export market for coffee here in Korea, because there is a trend. There are people that came from Korea all the way to Kenya, and they went to my own county, MERU, where they had serious discussions with people from MERU Cooperative Union, and their agreement was to have direct export for coffee in this particular country. But the necessary instruments or requirements that we were supposed to have done, somehow that did not take place.
Awitenende atira no chokero aramuleko yatirirwe athiatiro ntobu burabu kaguna murimi wa kimeraki no tira mukari wa ndiguru ya South Korea na kona KAUWA karaka kubatara.
I am ready and willing to fast track that process to ensure that we have our coffee coming here to Korea, so that you people will have the best coffee around, and secondly, we will be able to get a better price for coffee for farmers that are doing it in Kenya.
Anthony Akie Rais RUTO na tarereti umbani po Kenya kirerwa ngirorimi arawetete imera mwanya vira Kenya aba umbete kurumira ke urimi virombo kando mayani na Kenya KAUWA
is now growing to be a big exporter of avocado. We are already the leading exporter of tea. We are the leading exporter of coffee out of the continent.
Nekirete wirane botigira mayani yarayenda kuomya Kenya ndeni ya miaka 5 yejete yakethagira yakurukirete obwethia burabo agirete bokunywa na gichunche ke 50 kuma kireana na ndeni ya miaka 10 yejete kwithiroti mayani ya kwendwa yatikulukirete obwethia buonde.
In the next 5 years, at the minimum, we must move from 5% of processed tea to 50%, and then in the next 10 years we should be processing every gram of tea leaving Kenya. And because we